You got to get Kaylee back now.
I'll try. See, you fell off a cliff.
It doesn't lie. You didn't know it.
Alyssa, pick Kaylee up.
No, I just fell off the cliff again.
Fell off on your own power.
Right there, I got it.
On your own power?
Yeah.
Did you run off the cliff backwards again?
There's no need to remind me of my failures.
Okay, Alyssa's green.
I am Luigi, I guess.
Kaylee's yellow.
What is this thing? Oh my god, no! Ah!
And
Stop
Brian's
bouncing on
red.
the cloud! Wait, huh?
What's that?
What am I doing?
Shake it?
Oh, yeah.
You gotta hold down one and shake.
Ah, and
And
what
then
do I
you
do
can
with
shake.
that?
And you hold down the button to hold it.
You know what, Kaylee?
Pick up Kaylee.
I don't know how.
It's the same thing. Hold down one next to somebody.
Kaylee, I am going to... Yeah, you are evil. Why must you people be so evil to me?